Everyone, welcome and welcome back again to this channel of amazing videos on African traditional recipes, modern recipes, breakfast ideas, travel and event. If you're new in this channel, please browse Ready Kit Foods, a channel of amazing videos. If you want quick breakfast ideas, maybe if you run out of breakfast idea, just browse there. Very fast you'll find easy, that is they are simple, you'll find cheap, economical, and you'll get tasteful, enjoyable breakfast ideas. So kindly view my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Remember also to press on to your notification bell so that whenever I come in with a new video, you will be among the first people to get my videos. And apart from that, for the returning subscribers, I salute you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the effort you've made that to make me grow. Otherwise, let's get to the kitchen. Our recipe today is on bread pizza. Remember, people are used to making pizza using the all-purpose flour. So today I'm going to show you some simple way of doing pizza, even if you don't have oven, if you don't have electricity. So we are going to bake some bread pizza using without oven, using stove. So let's get to it. So guys, the ingredients I have for my pizza, I'm going to do beef pizza. I have red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. I have my 3 eggs here. I have the nyama bite. Nyama bite, this is a beef recipe. And I have my mozzarella here. I have tomato sauce here. I have tomato paste. I have some milk, and these are the bread that I'm going to use to make my pizza. So guys, this is a very, very simple way of doing your pizza. The cheapest and the fastest method. So stay tuned. I will make sure I soak my bread first. So guys, you see that? After that, you will add some pinch of salt to it. Then you'll soak it using milk. So as my bread is still soaking, I will start by chopping up my onions. So the style of cutting your onions will depend on what you really love and what you like. If you want to make them in circle, it's all allowed. If you want to cut it in small pieces, so long as the taste of onions are felt. So guys, you can see I can cut it in circular also, but by cutting them in circular makes it even look more beautiful. Then put it aside. Then the main thing here is the beef, so we are going to cut it out also. Then chop it in circles this way. This is ready to eat. You can as well eat it the way it is, but then for pizza we have to steam it a little bit. So guys, these are my ingredients for my pizza, so stay tuned. I'm going to crush my mozzarella cheese. So guys, this is the mozzarella cheese that I'm going to use, so stay tuned. I put milk here to soak and everything has been absorbed in here, but you don't need to worry. So long as the taste of the milk is here, that is okay. And then we can also use some baking powder. The reason, the purpose of the baking powder is because it will make our bread to swell. But now, even if I don't use one at this point, there's still no problem, because when they were baking this bread, already they had put some baking powder. So look at this. After this, we are going to add in our egg. I have 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Then mix up everything well. So guys, so I will leave it within a minute, then I'll start by roasting this. Remember guys, we are going to do pizza without oven, and if you have to do it without oven, we have to at least roast this for a few minutes, so that at least it can be edible. Like for example, the tomatoes has to the onions, sorry, not tomatoes. So it has to be translucent enough so that you can enjoy eating it. And also we have to roast the bell pepper so that it can give that taste. So stay. Yes, I will start by heating my pan. If you have butter, you can use butter to lubricate everything here. If you have any type of oil, just use that oil. That is enough. Make sure every part is well lubricated. Then let it heat up well. Start with your protein. So guys, we are pre-cooking this protein so that though they are ready to eat. Start by preheating this protein, though they are ready to heat, but at least, because we are not going to have heat above the pan when you are cooking this, you have to preheat it first. We are going to do this the same to our bell peppers and our onions, so stay tuned. You have to do this until they browns up. You can see they've started getting brown, though even at this point you can still enjoy eating it. You can see the way they are brown. So this is how we are going to. So I'm going to take it out and now roast the bell peppers and the onions. So stay tuned. see this? So next, guys, I'm going to roast this. It is like it has gotten translucent, so at this time now we are going to take everything out, and we are still going to let this pan overheat, heat up, so that it's ready for our pizza. So look at this, guys. Oil. And for this, I'm going to cover it so that it can get heat up. Covering it so that the atmosphere within the pan should have that enough heat, which will enable the upper part of the pizza to cook well. So you can look at that. Now this is the time now I'm going to add in my mix here. Make sure you spread it well round. Look at my bread. I think it's done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it the other way. So I will do this. Look at this, guys. So stay tuned. So I'm going to let the other side now. So I will let the other side cooks. Now at this point, the time to apply my tomato paste. Then tomato sauce, make sure you spread it evenly so that every part gets the taste of this tomato paste and the sauce. So guys, just look at how tasty my pizza looks. Now remember, you have to do it at this time you are applying this, you have to reduce your heat to a low to medium heat. Then next, now I will add in my mozzarella cheese. Don't add in everything, but most of it at the beginning. Then next, guys, now you can add in all the bell peppers, the onions, and spread it well evenly. Spread everything well. Now guys, this is baking bread pizza without oven. Then we'll just cover it and let us give it only 20 minutes and it will be done. Stay tuned. So guys, wow, look at my pizza. My pizza is done. It is done. It is done. And I'm going to serve it. Look at this, guys. Whoa. So guys, if you don't have oven, you don't have electricity, this is what you can do to enjoy your pizza. And this is bread pizza, very tasty guys. I only wish you could taste it. Whoa, look at this. Kindly watch this video. If you love it, please give it a thumbs up, share as much as you can, and try it out. Let me just cut it, take it out from here and see. Wow. Guys, so delicious. This is the pizza that has been done without oven. Look at it. I will taste it. Looks so nice. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. So guys, look at this. Welcome.